Hi guys, I'm Rishabh Chatterjee and this is my review of the AXOR Stealth Crazy Helmet. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button. If you don't, hit on the dislike button and let me know what is it that you felt was wrong in this video in the comment section below. And yeah, now let's get started. Please do like my Facebook page and also follow me on Instagram. Well, it's been almost 8 months since I've been using this helmet. For the first 6 months, this was my primary helmet, and after that, I was using this as the secondary helmet. And this was my first purchase where I spent a lot of money in a new helmet. So in this video, I'm going to share the pros and cons of this helmet. The first part is going to be the pros, and then I'm going to move on to the cons. And if you are planning on buying this helmet, then please do watch the whole video so that you can get an idea whether you should buy this helmet or not. Now let's start with the pros first. The first point is the build quality. The moment you hold this helmet, you can feel like, wow, this is such a well built helmet, and that's what makes it feel premium, and you will feel that justifies the price tag that I'm going to be sharing later. The second point is the design. Now design wise also, the number, like the graphics and the colors that this helmet comes in, it really looks different, and this was one of my reasons why I bought this helmet. There were a lot of options in the market, but this one actually caught my attention because of the different kind of graphics available with this helmet. And yes, if you want to look slightly different and if it appeals to your choice, then it does have some good looking designs. The third point is the dual visor. Now there are some helmets which come with dual visor and some don't. There are some pros and cons of dual visor, but I wanted something that had dual visor because I used to use a clear visor and I wear specs. So if I want to wear a sunglass, then I need to have a powered sunglass, and I don't usually carry that, so I wanted a dual visor. So this one has a dual visor, so whenever you are in the sunlight and it's falling directly in your eye, you can use the second visor as a sunglass. And because I have specs, I wanted to know whether it won't interfere much with my specs, and it doesn't. I can easily use the second visor and like all three, so I have one lens here, second lens as the sunglass and third lens as the clear visor, but I didn't have much problem while using it. The fourth point is the wind noise. Now this was something that I instantly realized when I was riding my bike. Now I have used like more ISI segment helmets, and first time I had upgraded to a more premium helmet, and whenever I used to go at higher speeds, the helmet used to block the wind noise a lot, and I used to feel like, wow, my bike is going so fast now. Actually, like more efficiently, more easily, but it was not because of the bike, it was because of the helmet that I used to feel that, wow, now my bike is actually going faster. Also the aerodynamically, this was, I think, better. Like it's designed much better aerodynamically, so it actually cuts through air more easily, and that's why I think wind noise and overall while riding you feel at higher speeds it's much more stable and comfortable. The fifth point is the certification. Now there are some helmets that come with only ECE, some come with only DOT, but the good thing is that this helmet comes with both DOT and ECE, so it's like a good safe helmet and a premium range, so it should come with both, and that's what you get in this helmet. Now moving on to the cons, the first one was the weight. Now at first when I was buying, I used to feel that I'll get used to it, but unfortunately I ride almost 1 hour plus every day on the bike, to 1 hour and from again 1 hour, so almost 2 hours ride every day, the whole throughout the day. So it kind of causes neck pain. Now it depends on you whether you will fire, like it's not something very heavy, but yes, it's on the higher side because of the dual visor and overall build quality wise. I felt the weight was slightly affecting my neck, and it used to cause problems. I had to stop in between, take some time rest, and again wear the helmet. But I'll show you the weight on the screen now, but it depends on you whether this is an issue or not. The second thing is the anti-fog visor. Now I am not sure what is the problem here, but the helmet was advertised as the visor is anti-fog inbuilt in the visor, but unfortunately I have used this helmet in rain too, and whenever you blow air inside, there is fogging. The anti-fog is something I'm not sure what's wrong with that. Something we have to put extra, or my visor is faulty, but this the visor that I got with my helmet is not anti-fog. There is fogging when it's raining or it's very cold. The third point is the Bluetooth speaker. Now they say that there is space to put Bluetooth speakers, but the Bluetooth speaker, the Bluetooth system that I got, the BTS2, in that we get a bigger kind of speaker, and whenever I put that, I'm not able to put my helmet that properly. It does not fit in the groove that easily. It's like bulging out, and that's a major problem. I'll tell you, I had to remove the BTS2 in this helmet because actually it was like hitting my ears. I have used other ISI helmets which don't have groove, but easily they were able to fit Bluetooth speakers. But this one, because it has the groove, the speaker actually like stays like this way, little bit bulging, so top and bottom it is very, I'm not sure if this is with this helmet or all other ones, because BTS2 is the most widely used Bluetooth intercom, but I couldn't use with this helmet. I had to remove it completely because it was hitting my ears. Now I don't know if it was faulty with my installation. I just installed directly on the groove, and wherever it was bulging out I couldn't do much, but yes, with Bluetooth intercom this is gonna be a problem. Number 4 is the padding. Now the padding is removable, so that's a good thing, but the problem I felt was that when you remove the padding and put it back, on the down edges it does not fit properly. I'm not sure if this was because of the intercom that I put or not, but when I remove the intercom too, I'm not able to fix the padding properly and it's kind of loose down. Now I'm not sure why they made like a complex setup like that. It should have just gone in and stayed there, but now it's loose and I'm not able to fix it. So that is one more problem that I felt. The padding, the locks are not good in the base of the helmet. The fifth one is two things I will share in this. One is the double D-ring. Now this is kind of a feature and it's good for safety wise, but everyday using is a problem. Now it depends whether you want to use it or not, but I feel they should have given an option of a normal strap. That would have been better for normal city use. It definitely, you might think it's easy. Even I used to think that what is that double D-ring, we'll just use it, but actually it almost takes some time to actually put it, and there are times when you'll be like, you'll forget to put that and you'll think, oh yeah, I've put, but actually it's loose. So learning process also little bit is there, plus usage wise also not that easy. And one more thing added to the fifth point is the pricing. Now when I bought this helmet it was around 6k, now it has reduced to 4k. That's what I have heard from my friends. At 4k it is definitely a value for money, but when I bought it was not that, so I paid more. So anyways, at that time it was expensive. Now they have rectified it and I think around 4k, so that's a better pricing now. So overall I think this is a good helmet. Weight wise you should consider whether you should buy this or not. There are many options available in the market without the visor, and graphics wise also many different variants available, but I feel it's a good helmet. Few cons, it didn't work that well for me because of the weight issue, but other than that it was a really good helmet, and I do plan to buy premium helmets at least next time, because I understood that yes, there is a quality and overall usage wise difference in ISI and the higher rated ones. So well, if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video with your friends too, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.